Step 1. Initial laptop adjustment. Disengage rear hook by pushing in the lock to release. Release each front hook individually by pressing the front hook release button and pulling the front hook to full extension. Lower laptop onto docking station and press in front hooks until fully inserted into laptop recess. An audible clicking will be heard. Secure laptop by pulling latch handle to engage the rear hook, applying downward pressure on rear of laptop. Your laptop is now secure and the docking station is configured to your computer model. No further adjustments are necessary unless you switch computer models. Step 2. Docking your laptop. Ensure rear hook is released by pushing in the lock. Load front of laptop into docking station by aligning front hooks with laptop recesses. Apply downward pressure and pull latch handles to secure laptop. Step 3. Undocking your laptop. Press in lock to release the rear hook. Then grab both sides of laptop and lift out of docking station, rear end first. To readjust your docking station to fit a different Dell Latitude Rugged or Rugged Extreme notebook, repeat Step 1, Initial Laptop Adjustment.